There are 3 types of selfie sticks that I would never use. This, too bulky. This doesn't even have magnets. This, no remote control. Because now there is MagicJohn's brand new selfie stick and tripod that can also give you a DSLR-like experience. You can rotate this around and you get yourself a selfie stick. It comes with a Bluetooth remote control. You can snap it onto here, then extend it, and you get yourself a selfie stick. Now, if you need a tripod, just press here, it opens up, set it onto a flat surface, and with the Bluetooth remote control, you can take pictures or videos without the need of anyone else. And after you're done, just fold this back, pop this back in, and you can hang it onto your bag or carry it in your pocket. And if you like this product, you can just click the OK and purchase it now.